Now we'll learn about polygon. So what is the polygon? When you need a area with some different or multiple straight line, then we called it polygon. Now to use polygon, you have to click here in rectangle option and click on that small triangle, and you will see they have option polygon. Just click here, and here it's telling us polygon, enter number of side. So first of all, you have to enter number of side, how much side you need of your polygon. So we need, suppose we need 5 side. Then enter a specific center of polygon. So where you want to draw your polygon, I will click here polygon. Now they have option inscribed in circle and circumscribed in about circle. So what is that two option? I will click here. Just see, when I will create a circle, it will be better if I use that circle to show you about that. So again, enter the side, I'll provide 5, then enter, and take its center, a specific center point, then we'll take this center. Now it's telling us inscribed in circle. So what is the meaning of that? If I use that option here, and if I create some circle, just see all of our polygon will be inside of circle. This is the meaning of inscribed of circle. Now again, if I go here polygon and telling us number of sides, so we'll consider again 5 side, enter a specific center point. So how we'll find out center point of the circle? Simply take your mouse on that line and you'll see they have a point, and here it's circumscribed about circle. I'll click here, and if I go here, just see our this polygon is outside of circle and this one is inside of circle. So this is the way to draw our polygon. Now if you want to use command from keyboard, simply clear everything and write POL, then enter, then same, enter the number of sides. So I need 9 sides suppose, and for 9 sides I will enter in a specific center of polygon. So I will consider that one, and here I will consider center, and I will consider inscribed in circle, and I'll go anywhere of that circle. You see they have a polygon with 9 number of sides. Same way, if I enter, then again enter for 9 side, and I will consider center of circle and circumscribed, and from here if I click, just see. So this is the way to draw our polygon perfectly.